This is an addition to Unit 4. The reason why this is an addition to Unit 4 is simply because, well, we have to talk about North Carolina legislative branch. Not much really to talk about, really and truthfully. The structure of the North Carolina General Assembly, which is our legislative branch, is the exact same as the United States Congress. It's a two-house legislature. You have the North Carolina House of Representatives and you have the North Carolina Senate. They do the exact same thing that Congress does, with one change. Instead of passing federal laws, they pass state laws that affect us here only in North Carolina. As far as the qualifications, once again, don't get too caught up in this. In order to serve in the House of Representatives, you have to be at least 21. You have to be a citizen of this country and, of course, live in this state, and specifically in the district in North Carolina that you're going to represent. In the North Carolina Senate, you have to be at least 25. You have to be a U.S. citizen and live in the district that you represent in North Carolina. Their job is to pass laws. And their job is also to monitor, to oversee the North Carolina college and university system. So all those community colleges, all those public universities, their job is to basically make sure that the people who are running what is called the Board of Governors for the North Carolina educational system, the college system, to make sure they're doing their job and to make sure that, we are holding the standards of what it takes to get a degree, that it's uniform, that it is, the word rigor is used in education a lot, to make sure that we have very high standards so that people who are receiving degrees are actually earning those degrees. It's something that, we want to make sure that we are giving you the best educational opportunity that we possibly can. As far as what happens with the assembly, more or less they serve for 2 years. And then they have to be reelected. So this is a constant turning over process. Right now in the North Carolina General Assembly, it is primarily Republican controlled. And of course we have an election coming up in 2016. We'll be electing a new president, a new governor potentially, and also members of the House of Representatives in the United States Congress, and of course in our North Carolina General Assembly. But as far as what do you need to know about our North Carolina General Assembly, that's pretty much it. I mean, it's nothing fancy, it's nothing new. Just know that we have a bicameral legislative body. It's called the North Carolina General Assembly. It's specifically the NC House and the NC Senate. They serve for 2 years, and their job is to pass state laws. Other than that, that's pretty much all you need to know about North Carolina legislative branch. So that's an additional video just for Unit 4. So coming up after this, Unit 5, U.S. executive branch. Then we'll have an additional video looking at the North Carolina governor and what he does. And then, of course, coming up with Unit 6, we're looking at the judicial branch. And we'll see you again, Unit 5.